Hi friends, welcome again to my YouTube channel. Today I want to show you how to create a YouTube channel. Okay, let's start. First I'm gonna open my Google Chrome, then open YouTube. Sign into your Google account. Google account means your Gmail. Click on create a channel. Then get started. Here we have two options. In the first option, if you want to use your Gmail name and profile picture as a YouTube channel, choose the first one. Or if you want to use a custom name and profile picture, select the second one. I want to select the custom name for my YouTube channel, and here I put my channel name. Take off my channel name, check it and click to the create. Now loading. Here we have upload a profile picture. Upload your profile picture here. Select your profile picture. I select this picture for my profile picture. Scroll down and tell viewers about your channel. Write something here for your viewers. Write about your channels, what kind of channel, and give some information. Write minimum 100 letters. If your channel have a website, social media, you can link it here. I don't have now. Now you can upload a video from here. We can upload videos from anywhere, like this. You should go to YouTube Studio. And there is option upload videos. Create, then upload video. We select this one, upload videos. And select file. We choose one video. Write here a video title. For example, my video title is about create a YouTube account or a channel. I write create a YouTube account or channel. Every first letter of your words should be capital. It's ranking your videos on top. Use the keywords in the title and in the bracket. Description is important. Write something about your videos and use capital letter at the first of the sentence. It must above 100 letter. I will write something about my video here. You will write your own description about your videos. And the name is like a profile of your video. You can upload a new thumbnail or you can choose for your videos. I select a new picture for my thumbnail. I choose one picture. Now it's loading now. It will be shown there. Next option will be playlist. I have one playlist. How to? You can create a new playlist according to your video. I will select how to. There is an option. This video is for kids or not. Go to next page. Set and end screen. This option for what you want to show at the end of the video. There is many options, you can choose one of them. One video, one subscriber, one playlist, one video, two video. There is many options you can see. I choose one video and subscribe. Here is a subscribe payments. You can set the times. Click on video. There is more option. I will choose choose a specific video. How to delete YouTube account. It's better. I can set the time from here as well. One of them for subscriber and one of them for video. You can set time from here as well. I will set this. Click set. Another option is add card. This is for suggestion. When your video is playing, you can suggest something, your videos, any advertisement. You can add your video playlist, channel. You can suggest. I suggest this videos. Let me show you how to do it. Go there, play the video. You see at the top of the video, suggested. You can suggest video playlist. Now click to return to TeleStory. Click to next. The option is visibility, private, linguistic, and public. Click to public. Another option is schedule. You can fix a date to public or share with people. For example, you don't want to share it now, you can save it after. Click to publish. You can copy the link from here and publish it. Don't forget to subscribe and like our channel. This video published on Facebook, Twitter, social media. You can publish. You can copy the link from here. Or I copy paste the link. I play the video. Check how it will look. Here is it, you can see now. And here is suggested video. You can see here, click. And now we check the end of video. There is one subscribe and one suggested video. I hope it's helpful for you guys. Thank you for watching.